In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the different canvas background options available when designing a fence for an estimate. From the dashboard, I'll click New in the sidebar and then select Quote. Here, I need to either choose an existing customer or create a new one. I'll select A. Lincoln. He already has a job site address, which will come in handy later. I'll give this quote a reference name. Let's call it Test. Next, I'll choose the fence type, wood. Then I'll select the fence style. In this example, there's only one option, privacy wood fence. For height, I'll choose 5 feet, and for color, pressure treated. Now that the fence specifications are selected, it's time to choose the background canvas. There are 3 options, a satellite map image, a blueprint, or a blank canvas. I'll walk you through each one. First, I'll select blank canvas. This takes me straight to the fence drawing page where I can use the fence tools on the left to start designing. I'll select the fence section tool and begin placing sections on the canvas. Next, I'll switch the canvas to a blueprint. I can do that from the sidebar. Keep in mind, if you switch canvases after doing any work, that work will be lost. I'll go ahead with the switch. You'll now see an Upload Blueprint button in the center of the screen. I'll click it and select a file. It can be an image or a PDF. After uploading, I'll get instructions for setting the scale. It says, draw a line over a dimensioned line on the blueprint. So I'll find a line on the blueprint with a measurement. This one is labeled 32.32 meters. I'll draw over it, enter 32.32, and select meters from the dropdown. The scale is now set. There are additional tools to help configure the blueprint. I can rotate the image or adjust its transparency. Reducing the opacity can make fence lines easier to see over the background. Now that the blueprint is set up, I'll go back to the fence tools and start drawing. This segment here is 8.26 meters, same as the one I drew. I prefer working in imperial units, so I'll toggle to that here. The third canvas option is the map. When I choose map, it opens with the customer's address already filled in. For A. Lincoln, it looks like the location is near the Washington Monument. I can switch between map view and satellite view. Once I've centered the job site in the canvas, I'll hit the Capture Map button at the bottom. Now I'm ready to start designing the fence. And that's a brief overview of the canvas background options. Hopefully this helps you get comfortable designing like a pro.